Good morning, children. Right, done with an exam, right? A slip test from the first two exercises. Of course, today we are going to complete coordinate geometry. So immediately we can prepare for the next slip test. In the previous class, whatever is dealt in case of section formula, one of the student has asked me to teach how to find out the ratio m1 and m2. That means m1 is to m2, a point which divides the two line joining the 2 points in m1 is to m2 if the both a and b are given, as well as the point which is dividing the line joining is also given. How to find out m1 and m2? That is what the doubt that she expressed. So after completing this, I'll go to go to that problem, right? Okay, so now come on, and now here we have determined, like see, in the previous classes we have discussed about how to find out whether the three given vertices form a triangle or not. If at all it is a triangle, then what is the condition? Sum of any two sides of the triangle must be always greater than third triangle, right? Any two. It is not that only a particular two, right? Any two. If you take any two out of the combination A, B, C, small a, B, C. So then sum of the two sides must be always greater than the third side, right? That is one thing we have learned, like about whether this satisfies the whether the three given vertices form a triangle or not, right? Then next, what is that? Type of the triangle. If it is equilateral, all the three sides, suppose you are finding AB, BC, CA, all three sides must be equal. If it is an isosceles triangle, means two sides are equal, then we say that it is an isosceles triangle. So you have to verify again if suppose AB is equal to any of those two, or the remaining two are equal, then we can say that that is an isosceles triangle. And a right angle triangle, you can apply Pythagoras theorem, find the bigger side. From a bigger side is equal to square root of sum of the squares of the smaller sides. So if that is verified, you can say that it is a right angle triangle. Likewise, you were also asked to find out the area of the triangle. Like suppose in case of a right angle triangle, it is very easy. We will be knowing the height, and thus we can determine the area of the triangle. And now suppose if the height of the triangle is not known to us, how are we going to find out area of the triangle? We have two methods here. One is like coordinate points. From coordinate points, how to find out. The other one is like from sides, how to find out. Clear? So now let us see this one. So this is area is equal to half of modulus of. That means always this result yields positive value because area cannot be negative. Please remember that area cannot be negative, thus we need to take it as mod of, right? That means modulus of, means always modulus gives us a positive result, right? So x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, right? Provided we have a triangle with x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3 as the vertices of the triangle. I am just naming them as ABC. If these are the vertices of the given triangle, to find area means the space bounded by these three sides of the triangle. So this is the formula. To remember, so please I'll give you a shortcut for it. How to remember this one? See, x1, x2, x3. You write it down like this. Under this, 1 is here, 2, 3, y2, y3. Under this, 2 here, 3, 1. Right? So, y3, y1. Under this, it is 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. So, y1, y2. Cyclic order, see, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Cyclic order. And where everywhere between y, this is minus, minus, minus. Very easy to remember if you go like this. Okay? Right. So this is half of modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Pranav, are you listening? Yes, please. Right. Because you know already, you may neglect listening to the class, but please use these classes as your revision classes. Don't neglect. Right. So x1, x2, x3. Shortcut. How to remember this one? So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Right? Very nice, right? To remember. So this is how you have to substitute in the formula and you can find out the area. This is when the coordinate points are given to you. Okay. Right. Similarly, coordinates are given. Sometimes in the problem they may give coordinate points and ask you to find out using Herons formula. They may specify it. Like or they may ask you under 2-mark question or 1-mark question, what is Herons formula? Or they may give the values of the sides of the triangle and may ask you to determine the area of the triangle using Herons formula. In any of these possible manners, you may get a question. Okay. So what is Herons formula? Herons formula is area of the triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So what is this? S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now you may ask, ma'am, what is this s, a, b, c? I am coming to that. Right. So let us suppose that this is a, small a, b, c. It's very common. Please remember there is a common notation for it. Suppose if you are writing it as capital A, B, C as a triangle. Please remember everybody, Venkat Sai. Capital A, B, C are the vertices of the triangle. Then a side which is opposite to that vertex is written as small a. The side which is opposite to this vertex is written as small b. A side which is opposite to this vertex is written as small c. Kartikeya. Okay. So now, whenever it is small ABCs are given in case of triangles, right? So that means especially in part of geometry, they stand for the sides. They stand for the sides. They represent the length of the sides. Please remember this. They represent the length of the sides. Suppose only the vertices of the triangle are given. What is the meaning of it? AB is equal to C. Right? BC is equal to A. AC is equal to B. You can find out. Okay? AB, BC, CA. You can find out and you can name them as ABC. Okay, done. And then you can substitute in this formula. And now the point here is what is yes. What is yes? And yes is defined as A plus B plus C by 2. By 2, please. Always. Even though you are studying in class 10, it is very common that most of the children, out of negligence, they don't observe it to be by 2. They think that it is by 3. That is, they think it to be mean of the sides and then they will be doing the Herons formula problems. No, it is not mean of ABC. It is not the average of the sides. It is A plus B plus C by 2. Please remember this. Please make a note in your brain. Okay, where small ABCs are the sides of the triangle. Very usual notation here is opposite to capital A is small a, opposite to capital B is small b, opposite to capital C is small c. It's very common notation. Right? Of course, if you find A, B, B, C, C and then you write as A, B, C, it is not going to change the answer anyway. But try to remember this because in the next coming classes, this is going to be useful to you. Right, done? All the children, Naina. Okay, so now come on. Area based on Herons formula, it is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. See, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C are put within brackets, are written within brackets. Please observe this. Venkatasai, brackets are very important. Wherever they are necessary, you are supposed to write those particular expressions within the brackets. Right. And then ABC, small a, b, c are the sides of the given triangle, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Right, fine. So this is based on Herons formula and this is based on the coordinates. If the coordinate points are known to us, without knowing the height, you can directly determine the area of the triangle like this. And half of modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Yeah, you can write it like this. Fantastic. See, this will form first term. This will form the second term. And this will form the third term. Okay, then this will form third term. And here plus, each term is separated by addition. And within brackets it is subtraction. Right, then I think now you people can easily remember it. Now if you want, just for a moment, close your eyes and try to recollect both the formulae. Here you have half modulus of, and you have it is under root. Right, children? Yeah, please pause this, copy this. I'll go for like clarifying that doubt, and with that we can close this chapter. Right? Come on, copy it down. Yes, children. Now the point here is, Shulamiti, it's your doubt. So please pay attention here. Now to find the ratio in which a point P of something divides the line joining the points A and B. So I just left like that. We can take some coordinate points. Let me say that it is 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Let us write like this. General form. Some general points I have taken. Now we have to find out in which ratio this particular point. So in the previous class, section formula you are using to find this one, where when ratio is given, m1 is to m2 is given to you. Now the problem here is point is given to you. You have to find out the ratio m1 and m2, right? So now let us draw just like that. Don't think that this is of coordinate exact locations. B, somewhere here it is P of 2, 3. Now we need to find out m1 and m2. So now to find, what do we need to find? m1 and m2. Okay, so now what is the general formula of section formula? P of x comma y is equal to P of m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. That means you can find out this point. But what is here? This point is already given to us. As well as x1, x2, y1, y2 are given to us. We have to find out m1 and m2. We have to find out m1 and m2. So what can I do? So I can equate each x coordinate to the x coordinate of the given point, y coordinate to the y coordinate of the given point, is it not? So that means which implies x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Please children observe this. I have seen in your test papers, like you have written the point without putting the brackets here. Please, that is wrong. So here is different. I am equating the x coordinate to the x coordinate value. Right. And the next y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. I am separating these two statements with a semicolon. Observe that. Just like that, don't write. Okay, so now what is this one? What is x? X is given to be 2. So 2 is equal to, we don't know m1, write it as m1. x2, what is that? x1 y1, x2 y2. So x2 is 4. So m1 into 4 plus m2 into what is x1? 1 by m1 plus m2. Let me solve this part first, then afterwards I will solve for this one. Okay? Right. So therefore 2 into cross multiplication, 2 into m1 plus m2, brackets here are very important because 2 is multiplied to both m1 and m2. So 4m1 plus m2. 4m1 plus m2. I got one equation here, that is 2 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 4m1 plus m2. Now from here, what is y? Y is given to be 3. 3 is equal to y2 m1. y2 is 5. 5m1 plus y1 m2. 2m2 by m1 plus m2. By m1 plus m2. So what do you have now? Cross multiplication. 3 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 5m1 plus 2m2. Now to solve, we have two equations. We have one equation here with m1, m2 as variables, and here is another equation with m1, m2 as variables. Now our task is to solve these two equations and find m1 and m2 and find m1 and m2. So from this equation, can you write what is m1 plus m2? m1 plus m2 is equal to 4 divided by 2m1 plus m2 divided by 2, right? So first equation can be written as, first equation I am writing it as m1 plus m2 is equal to, take this 2 on to the right hand side, divided by 2, whole divided by 2. So 4m1 by 2 plus m2 by 2. Okay, and now this equation can be written as again m1 plus m2 is equal to, bring 3 on this side, 5m1 by 3 plus 2m2 by 3 plus 2m2 by 3. Whatever the vertices, whatever the points that are given in your problem, no, they won't be so complex. It can be easily solved. We took some general points, so therefore some complex relations we are getting. So let us solve the equations. Minus. So we are subtracting it. So everywhere in place of plus we will be getting minus in the second equation. So m1 minus m1 cancel, m2 minus m2 cancel, 0 is equal to 4m1 by 2 minus 5m1 by 3. 4m1 by 2 minus 5m1 by 3. Pranav. Right. Now m2 by 2 minus 2m2 by 3. m2 by 2 minus 2m2 by 3 minus 2m2 by 3. This whole thing is equal to 0. Let me write for my convenience like this. I'll bring everything here onto LHS and NRHS, right? So then what do we have? Four m1 by 2 minus 5m1 by 3. All m1s on this side. Let me take the m2s on the same side. So when this is coming onto the LHS, plus 4m1 will become minus 4m1 and minus 5m1 will become plus 5m1. Now m2 by 2 minus 2m2 by 3 here itself, because we want m1 by m2, that's all, isn't it? m1 is to m2. What we are going to determine here is m1 is to m2, that is m1 by m2, that is what we want to find is m1 by m2 is equal to how much? m1 by m2 is equal to how much? So therefore now taking m1 common here, minus 4 by 2 plus 5 by 3. Taking m2 common here, 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. Shall I do it here? Yes, I think this will be sufficient for me to do, right? So m1 into, so taking the LCM here, LCM is 6. So in the denominator you will get 6. Cross multiplication, minus 4 into 3 minus 12. plus 5 into 2 plus 10. 5 2s are 10. Okay, so this is the first term on left hand side, which is equal to, on right hand side, what do I have? M2 multiplied by, so take the LCM, again it is 6. So cross multiplication, 3 minus 4, 2 2s are 4. Right, so done. Now I have 6 common. We have only single terms here. On left hand side one term, on right hand side one term. And in the denominator, both the sides we have 6. So I can cancel it. So I am left with M1 of minus 12 plus 10 minus 2, which is equal to M2. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Right, we got it. M1 by M2 is equal to cross multiplication. Minus 1 by minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, what is the answer? Therefore, M1 is to M2 is equal to 1 is to 2. So this divides in 1 is to 2 ratio. Clear? So this is how you have to solve the equation. Solving the equations is of course a must. So you have a problem of the similar kind, that is problem number 3. Okay, problem number 3 under the exercise of section formula. Immediately after this class, I want you all to first solve that one. Everybody, no exemption here. Everybody must solve that third problem and post me immediately after the class. Done. So with this, we can come to an end to coordinate geometry of class 10. So the next one we are going to start with set theory. Already that is introduced to you, right? And in your IIT foundation class, as we go a little bit ahead than your regular classes in that IIT foundation, extension of it, or rather we say that it's a part of it. Whatever you are going to find out learn in set theory of class 10 syllabus is a part of what you have already learned. You have learned so much, and this is only a small part. So let's have a quick revision of it so that we can finish that chapter also from mathematics, class 10 mathematics. Right, done? Done, children? Please copy it down. So this is the flow, here to here and here to here, and after this we have moved on to here. Okay, please copy this, and then I'll be waiting for your third solution, right? Solution to the third question. Now take the screenshot, and then later also you can copy.